Previous video I had explained about the potential due to a point charge. Now let us see what about a group of charges. If there are n point charges and the potential due to them at a point P will be V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation of I is equal to 1 to n Qi by Ri. So as you can see, it is just the algebraic sum of the individual charges Qi. So charges from I is equal to 1 to n. If the charge distribution is continuous, then we can rewrite equation 1 as, instead of Qi by Ri with the summation symbol we can change to the integration symbol if it is a continuous distribution, dq by r, where dq is the differential element of the charge distribution and r is the distance from the point where V is to be calculated. As an extension of this formula, if the charge is spread over an area A, so if there is a surface distribution, then dq is equal to sigma dA. Sigma of course is the surface charge density, and we can rewrite equation number 2 as such. Instead of dq, we can write it as sigma dA by r and integration over the area, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught the constant. If it is within a volume, then we take the volume charge density. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integration over the volume, rho is the charge density, dV by R. So after a quick look at this formula, let us now go to the next part, that is what will happen. We have seen for point charge. So what will happen if we are having an electric dipole? So derive the expression for electric potential at a point on the axis of an electric dipole. If you remember, in case of electric dipole, we had the end on position, broadside on position in case of electric field. Similarly, here also we'll start with the end on position, that is a point P on the axis of the dipole. The dipole is AB. So what was a dipole if you remember? Equal and opposite charges plus Q minus Q separated by small distance twice L. So midpoint is O, so L twice L. P is at a distance of R from the midpoint O. So all of you are familiar with this as shown in the figure. This is what we write. And now, because it is at a distance of R, so from the point B, it is the distance of P is R minus L, but from the point A, it will be R plus L. So we mention it. We have got the expression for point charge. So now, due to the charge plus Q and due to the charge minus Q, this will be our expression for potential. So what this is, we already got the formula, Q by R. Here it is R minus L. For the negative charge, it is R plus L, the magnitude is same. For V1, it is plus. For V2, we are mentioning the minus sign. Now potential is a scalar quantity, so just we have to find V1 plus V2. So simple addition. Algebraic formula, A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. Just normal subtraction. We know that 2QL is the electric dipole moment, so just replace it with P. Again, we are considering that R is very big, very larger than twice L, so we are neglecting L square and we are getting the final expression. So just like we derived for electric field, similarly we are proceeding for the potential also, and we get the final expression. This was the end on position. What about broad on position? This time it's very simple derivation. So if P is situated on the equatorial line of the dipole AB, you can see P is on the top at the apex of the triangle. So we have the triangle APB now. Rest of the things are similar. Plus Q minus Q, distance of twice L, midpoint O, dipole moment small p. So what is V1? Using the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BP. BP, distance of the point P from the charge plus Q. Other distance AP for the negative charge. Distance of the charge minus Q from P. So AP. But here AP is equal to BP by geometry. Okay, LL common side. So the other two sides are also equal. So what will happen when we put V1 plus V2? It becomes 0. So very small derivation, V is equal to 0 in this case. But what is the physical meaning of this V is equal to 0? What does it mean? It means no work is done in moving a charge along this line. So if we move a charge along this line, along this distance r, along the equatorial line, in that case no work is done. Potential is 0, so no work is